Now properties. So if we modify the access properties, then we have to write theme. Under the theme function, we can change anything. For example, here access title means place of residence and body mass index. So if we type axis title, axis dot title. So here there are two axes. One is y-axis, other is x-axis. But if we type only axis title, then both will be modified. Then elementary, elementary blank, elementary group, line, react, render text. So we can modify anything. So we will modify only text. So generally we change the font size or page. For example, if we write size, size is equal to, for example, 12. Run. Yes, size was reviewed. If we type size is equal to 20, then yeah, font size very large. So we can keep 12 and face. Face is equal to, for example, bold, bold, then it will be the bold. If we type italic, italic, this is the advantage of RStudio. We can modify anything. So if we run, now it's italic. Comma. Another property is here legend wealth index. So we can move the legend on the top side. How to? Then legend dot position will be top. So if we top. So using this procedure, we can modify anything. So my request, please pause the video and write the R code.